In 2004, satellites scanning the oldest light in the universe discovered something that shouldn't exist. Deep in the constellation of Eridanus, there is a cold, silent void spanning nearly 1 billion light-years. It contains no galaxies, no stars, and no dark matter. It is a cosmic desert so massive that it challenges our entire understanding of physics. Scientists call it the supervoid. But the terrifying question isn't what's inside it, it's what created it. Standard physics cannot explain a void of this scale. This led a team of physicists to a chilling hypothesis. The Eridanus Supervoid isn't empty space. It is a bruise, a scar left behind from a collision between our universe and a parallel reality. Imagine another cosmos, governed by different laws, crashing into ours and erasing billions of potential stars from existence. We aren't looking at nothingness. We are looking at the footprint of a cosmic predator. If this theory is correct, it means our universe is not alone, and it is not safe. The supervoid could be a leak, slowly draining our reality into another. Every second, the darkness grows, and there is absolutely nothing we can do to stop it. Is this where everything ends? This is the archive of Probe Zero. Stay watchful. Archive closed.